Dysfunctional vet. What I have here is a small seed device. You put your seeds inside here. This cap comes off with a little bit of effort. What you're supposed to do is put your seeds in here, slap the cap back in, set the hole size. As you can see, there are different sizes. Put the hole size that you need for the seed and then sprinkle them out into your row. When I did that a minute ago, and I'm doing mustard, when I did that a minute ago, I got seeds down around the edge of this thing, and it just made for a real mess. So what I'm going to try to do is put this on the largest opening that we have, move this over to the side, and I'm going to try pouring them into the dispenser and see if I can get them to go in. Much better. I want to show you how small these seeds are. They are itty bitty. So I'm going to fill this all the rest of the way back up, and then I'll go dispense them. When I'm dispensing them, if this is where I want to put them, I'm about an inch away, about an inch and a half high, because when they roll off, they're going to fall, they're going to travel out and then fall down into where I'm planting them. I don't know that I'll be able to show you that because these seeds are so small. I think all you're going to see is me doing that, and that's pretty meaningless. But I'll finish filling this up, and as soon as I do that, then I will go finish planting my mustards. I'm planting 20 feet of them today, and I may do another 20 feet next week. That way I'll be getting a harvest a week apart. Dysfunctional vet out.